Deep beneath the ocean's crushing pressure, a textile revolution is unfolding within the silent depths of the abyss, where advanced science meets the raw beauty of nature. Welcome to the bioluminescent Silk Forge, a sanctuary of innovation where artificial intelligence is redefining the very essence of luxury through biological engineering and photonic research. In this futuristic sanctuary, heavy machinery is replaced by delicate robotics, working in perfect synchrony to weave the threads of a new era in sustainable high fashion. The process begins with a digital blueprint, where AI algorithms calculate the perfect fusion between organic protein strands and light-harvesting crystals for maximum brilliance and strength. Step into the spectral protein cultivation zone, where silkworm cocoons are nurtured in nutrient-rich seawater and infused with rare minerals found only in the deepest ocean trenches. By modifying the genetic code, we allow the silk to absorb and store light energy directly within its crystalline structure, creating a material that breathes with radiance. Advanced laser technology is employed to split these fibers with microscopic accuracy, ensuring that every single strand is as thin as a whisper, yet remarkably strong. In this weightless environment, particles of silk suspended in liquid prisms reflect a cosmic spectrum, capturing the essence of the ocean's hidden and mysterious glowing life forms. The AI continuously monitors the molecular bonds, ensuring the silk can maintain its glow for centuries without losing its structural integrity or its soft, luxurious feel. Every harvested strand is a masterpiece of biodesign, ready to be transformed from a raw biological product into a high-performance material for the world of tomorrow. Now we enter the refinement phase, where the raw silk travels through specialized nanobaths that coat each fiber with a protective layer of metallic magnetic particles. This magnetic coating is the secret to the fabric's unique properties, allowing it to interact with electromagnetic fields and respond to the wearer's dynamic movements and environment. Precision is paramount here at the forge. Every centimeter of silk is scanned for consistency, ensuring the glow is perfectly uniform along the entire length of thread. The refinement process is a continuous loop of purification, removing any impurities to reveal a thread that is purer than any silk found in the natural world. As the fibers emerge, they carry the soul of the deep sea, a haunting teal luminescence that promises to change the way we perceive light and shadow. And welcome to the heart of the forge, the magnetic loom room, where traditional weaving methods are abandoned in favor of revolutionary, non-contact electromagnetic thread manipulation technology. Without a single touch, the AI orchestrates millions of threads, dancing in the air like rivers of light, converging to form a fabric that defies physical logic. The fabric is alive with color, shifting its hue in response to low-voltage pulses that mimic the natural rhythms of the ocean's most exotic bioluminescent creatures. The resulting material possesses a dual nature, appearing as fluid as water, yet as durable as metal, offering a tactile experience that is truly beyond compare. This is a symphony of mathematics and art, where complex algorithms weave seamless garments that fit the human form with absolute breathtaking perfection and effortless grace. As the weave tightens, then the light intensifies, creating a fabric that doesn't just reflect light, but radiates it from within its very core and structural essence. We move to the quality control phase, where every piece is tested for its interactive capabilities, ensuring it responds perfectly to the subtle touch of a hand. Where the skin meets the silk, a ripple of light follows the movement, creating a biological interaction between the wearer and the garment they're choosing. The silk is sentient in its design, capable of syncing its brightness with the surrounding environment, or even the heartbeat of the person who wears it. Observe the intricate detail of the weave. It is a tapestry of light, sparkling with the intensity of a million stars, captured within a single thread. Scientific precision ensures that the energy output is safe and comfortable, maintaining a perfect temperature for the human body while providing a stunning visual display. Each meter of the silk is a masterpiece. It's a testament to the fact that clothing can be more than just a covering. It can be an experience. The finished garment is carefully preserved, protected within a vacuum-sealed chamber as it prepares for its journey from the depths of the ocean to the world above. Leaving the Atheris facility, the silk travels through the cold abyss, its internal glow lighting up the dark water as it ascends towards the sunlit world. This is the bridge between two worlds, where the secrets of the deep are harnessed to illuminate the future of human civilization and creative fashion. As we reach the surface, the light of the forge meets the moonlight, marking the arrival of a new standard in the world of high-end luxury. Bioluminescent silk, where nature's hidden wisdom and cutting-edge technology become one, creating a legacy that will shine for generations to come in our bright future. The future of fashion is not just in the design, but in the light it brings to our lives. Join us in this luminous new era. Every fold tells a story of innovation, a narrative woven with threads of light that challenge our understanding of what a textile can truly be. The depths hold many secrets, but none are as bright as the revolution happening right now, far beneath the waves of the world's vast oceans. Imagine a world where your clothes respond to your emotions, lighting up with a warm glow as you feel joy or a calm blue as you rest. The intelligence behind the forge never sleeps, constantly refining the algorithms to push the boundaries of biological light and material science even further every day. Our vision extends beyond fashion. The silk is the precursor to living architecture, where our environments are lit by the very fabrics that surround us. It is a gentle light, a sustainable light. It's a light that reminds us of our deep connection to the natural world and its infinite wonders. As the forge rests, the innovation continues in the digital realm, preparing for the next harvest of spectral threads and the next breakthrough in drapes. From the molecular to the cosmic, the patterns of light we create at Aetheris mirror the beauty of the universe itself, captured in fine silk. In the darkness, our work shines brightest. We are the architects of a new brilliance, redefining the relationship between humanity, technology, and the deep sea. The forge is ready for the next cycle of creation. Each day brings us closer to a world illuminated by the very clothes we choose to wear. As we depart the Aetheris facility, remember that the most beautiful light is the one we create together through science, art, and visionary imagination. Bioluminescent Silk Forge, lighting the way for the future of humanity. Explore the brilliance and step into the light of our next grand chapter.